Alrighty, I'm just gonna show that replay. Oh jeez, I'll have to do it from that view down. Yeah, this is funny. The Commodore's got a problem where you have to adjust. Yeah, but this is actually a replay. I'm not even driving now. This is a replay of when you're on track, actually. Okay, so this is when you're on track. I'll go back a bit. I'm just gonna change the timing. Here we go. That's you. This is when I was doing the hot laps. I wasn't messing around. I was just. Oh no, this. Oh no, this is when I was following you slowly for a bit. Yeah. Now this is when you. I think you went off here. But I want to show you my fast lap time because I just did a really good lap time. That's right, you got sideways. Okay, I'll skip it to the actual fast, the last few laps I'll do, just, I think it was roughly here. So here we go, yeah, see on the left down here, my fastest time so far is 1 minute 25. I think I did and Ted Luca was 1 minute 16.366. I ended up doing a 1:16, slightly faster, like, you know, 100 or tenth of a second faster, I think it was, or 0.3 of a second faster, but I'll just skip to the fast lap. 1, 2, yeah, it could be this one here. Here we go. Yeah, I haven't set it yet, so this is the fast. It's either this lap or next lap. I was surprised if it was this lap. That wasn't a very good turn. It must have been the next lap. So let's wait and see. I'm not sure, it must be. It has to be this lap. Or it might have been the next, it could have been the next one. Okay, that was 117. This is the fast lap. This one here. Oh, well, when you were there. That was actually really quite fast there. Oh, so it really surprised me. I did a 116 on this lap because I made quite a few mistakes, but I must have made some really fast corners as well. This was really fast through here. That was really fast, and then I think this is it. One just coming out to the start-finish line now. Yeah, 116.053, fastest lap. I'm going to do that same lap replay, but on a different view. From this view here. So here we go. It was that last lap coming through here. Here it is. It sounds good, eh? I hate how it changes camera all the time. Cool, I'll stop it now.